These are the jeans that I'm turning into jorts. I didn't really wear these that much. I got the wrong color and I just didn't wear them that much. So we are turning these into shorts so I can wear them often. Because with these pants, they're really nice, but they're really long. And I honestly didn't want to hem them again. So I just who cares? Turn them into shorts. But this is me undoing the hem on these. I am now done with the hem, and now I am undoing the inseam. So the inseam is all finished right here. Now I am ironing so everything is flat. So right here I already lined out how much I wanted to cut off. So there it is. Then I cut off some of the bottom and I made the bottoms of the jorts. I don't know what I'm saying, man. But right here I'm cutting out, tracing out the flares that I'm using. This is all of the things that I'm using for the jorts. Right here I am putting the bottom of the new kind of jort leg on the existing pair of shorts, if that makes sense. This is me pinning, clipping the flares onto these shorts. We are done clipping, so now we are sewing the flares onto the jorts. So the flares on, now I am cutting off the excess right here because these jorts were really long. So I just went ahead and cut it off. Now we are sewing zigzag stitch on the flares so everything will be clean. This is me ironing the flares right here. I didn't do a hem on these. I might honestly do one, but it's not in the video. It's not going to be in the video. So these are the jorts finished. I honestly think I should do a hem, honestly, but who knows. This is the body right here.